Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can order layers on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add some videos on top of each other like this. And if I move this on the top layer, as you can see, this one's still at the top layer. I have to go down and order it and make it as the second or the first layer to make it so this one's at the top. The easier way to solve this is to just select this area, go to modify and enable free layer, press save. So when you switch layers, it's going to still be at the top. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.